What's up guys, Greg here at CARiD.com. Welcome back to the shop. Today's a big day. Cody's gonna be on his way to go pick up his Mitsubishi EVO after a full transmission rebuild on that SST. Now I can't join him, but he's taking the camera himself and he's gonna document the entire thing and take you guys along for the ride.
What is going on, guys? We are here at S2F Automotive. You can see I'm inside the EVO. We have officially picked it up. We just finished the test drive. The EVO feels amazing. It is on a limiter though, because for 500 miles I do have to do a break-in, and then once that is done with the break-in period, I will come back and Joey from S2F Automotive will remove that limiter. But otherwise, yeah, EVO is picked up. Let's go.
All right guys, well you followed Cody along on the journey and the EVO is finally back in the shop. How do you feel, man?
I'm stoked, Greg, really. It's been a year and a half, as we all know, since I've actually been able to drive the EVO. So the fact that I'm just able to go on the road, not have to worry about anything, this transmission is shifting very smooth, very easy. So I'm just really stoked on that, and I'm also excited to see what we have planned for the future.
Well, I know this is your baby right here.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I know you got some plans for it, so give us a little bit of insight on what you're gonna do to the car to the future.
So nothing crazy. We're not gonna go, all out, but I think obviously the start is the coilovers. We need to lower the car. It's still on stock suspension, 115,000 miles on these struts. I think it's time to switch that.
Yeah, they're tired.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's time to switch that out. And then some nice subtle pieces, to kind of accent with the wing, get maybe a carbon fiber lip, some canards. And then after that, I have a wrap with a livery design.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, that'll be interesting to see.
That'll be fun.
Well guys, EVO is back up and running. As you can see, we got it back here in the shop. If you want to see more of this car and all the mods that we plan to do to it, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and we'll see you next time.